Hello everyone, welcome to English e-learning class. Today we are going to do chapter number 10 of English literature book of class 7th, and the name of the chapter is Friends and Flatterers. It is a poem by William Shakespeare. Now let us see about the author William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is the greatest author of the English literature. He had written many great tragedies, dramas, poems, etc. And he was born between 1585 and 1592. As most of his works were between 1589 and 1613, his earlier plays were mainly comedies, histories, and the genres he raised to the peak of sophistication and artistry by the end of 16th century. And most of his famous tragedies are Hamlet, King Lear, Othello, are the finest works in the English language. Now let us move on to the lines of the poem. It is one of the most beautiful poems written by William Shakespeare. Friends and Flatterers. Friends का मीनिंग तो सबको पता है, but flatterers means the people who butters you up by doing the false praise. जो आपको मक्खन लगाते हैं, that are known as flatterers. आप चापलूस बोल सकते हैं इन्हें. Now let us see the lines of the poem. Everyone that flatters thee is no friend in misery. Words are easy like the wind. Faithful friends are hard to find. Every man will be thy friend, whilst thou hast wherewith to spend. But if store of crowns be scant, no man shall supply thy want. If that one be prodigal, bountiful they will call, and with such like flattering, pity but he were a king. But if fortune once do frown, then farewell his great renown. They that fawned on him before, use his company no more. He that is thy friend indeed, he will help thee in thy need. If thou sorrow, he will weep. If thou wake, he can't sleep. Thus, of every grief in heart, he with thee doth bear a part. These are the certain signs to know faithful friend from a flattering foe. So, you have seen the lines of the poem. As we see the stanza number 1, let us see what is the rhyme scheme there. For rhyme scheme, you have to see the last word of each line. Like in first line, the last word is D, E. E sound, इसको हमने नाम दे दिया A. Vowel sound है, उसको हमने नाम दे दिया A. Second line का last word है misery. ये different sound. E. उसको हमने नाम दे दिया A, सेम साउंड है. नेक्स्ट इज wind, आई साउंड है. वॉवल साउंड को चेक कर रहा है, उसका नेम दे दिया P. ऐसे ही आप सारी राइम स्कीम को चेक कर सकते हैं. सो द राइम स्कीम फॉर द स्टेंजा 1 इज A, B, B. एंड नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर. In this poem, the poet tells us the difference between the real friend and the flatterer. जब आप इस poem को पढ़ेंगे आपको पता चलेगा कि that how to identify that a person sitting besides you, the person whom you hang out, is your real friend or just a flatterer. So the poem teaches us a wonderful message how to choose a real friend in life. Each person who falsely praises you, जो बिना मतलब के आपको मक्खन लगाते रहते हैं, each person who falsely praises you is not your real friend. He is not a friend in bad times. वो सिर्फ अच्छे टाइम में आपके दोस्त हैं. Flatterers only comes to us for his own gain. वो सिर्फ अपने मतलब के लिए हमारे पास आते हैं. But when the time is bad, they leave you. So the poet says, only the real and a true friend stands by you in your thick and thin.